Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on how to customize your confirmation and welcome emails. Confirmation and welcome emails are two of the most important emails you'll ever send to your subscribers. They are your first chance to make a good impression and start building a relationship with them. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your confirmation and welcome emails to boost engagement and grow your list, and also hopefully generate more revenue for your business. If you're interested to get more details about today's video topic, go to the description below and click on the link to my blog post there. I provide more details, more information. A confirmation email is an email that's sent to a new subscriber after they've signed up for your email list. It's important to send a confirmation email because it helps to ensure that your subscribers are real people who want to receive your emails. To create a confirmation email, you'll need to use double opt-in. This means that the new subscriber will need to click a link in the confirmation email to confirm their subscription. In your confirmation email, be sure to include the following: a thank you message for subscribing, a brief explanation of what your subscribers can expect from your emails, a call to action such as inviting them to visit your website or follow you on social media. And here is an example of a confirmation email. A welcome email is an email that's sent to a new subscriber after they've confirmed their subscription. It's an opportunity to welcome them to your list, introduce yourself and your company, and tell them what they can expect from your emails. In your welcome email, be sure to include the following: a warm and friendly welcome, a brief introduction of yourself and your company, a description of what your subscribers can expect from your emails, a call to action such as inviting them to download a free resource, or the lead magnet that you have offered before sign up, or even sign up for a webinar. Make it easy for your subscribers to contact you. Include your email address, phone number, and social media links in your email signature. Here is an example of a welcome email. There are a number of ways to customize your confirmation and welcome emails. Here are a few tips. Use the subscriber's name in the email subject line and throughout the email. This will help to personalize the email and make it more likely that the subscriber will open it. You should actually segment your list and send different confirmation and welcome emails to different subscribers. For example, you can send a different email to subscribers who sign up for your list from your website versus subscribers who sign up from social media pages. Tailor the content of your email to the specific interests of your subscribers. For example, if you sell a variety of products, you could send a different welcome email to subscribers who are interested in your product A versus subscribers who are interested in your product B. Include a call to action in your emails. Tell the subscribers what you want them to do next. For example, you could ask them to visit your website, follow you on social media, or download a free resource. Again, make it easy for your subscribers to contact you. Include your email address, phone number, and social media links in your email signature. Here are some statistics to explain why welcome emails and confirmation emails are so important. Confirmation and welcome emails are two of the most important emails you will ever send to your subscribers. By customizing your confirmation and welcome emails, you can boost engagement, grow your list, and generate more revenue for your business. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about customizing your confirmation and welcome emails, please leave a comment below. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.